In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your side view mirror on a 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. Use a plastic trim tool and remove this cover cap. It's held in by these two clips. To remove the wire harness, push down the little tab on the top and then pull out. You're going to remove these 3 bolts. Using a 10mm socket, you can start removing the 3 bolts. Now you should be able to just pull out the mirror. To put it back in place, just align it and then you can put it right back in. Now you can put back the 3 bolts and tighten them. And plug back in the wire until you hear a click. Align the cover, push it in until you hear a click.